Today I am going to show how to open multiple devices at once in single editor. So sometime we need to check multiple devices and we need to work some multiple devices. So let's start. I have opened already two devices, iOS and Android. So first we check our device list. So this is our open 5 connected device. So then let's go to our run and debug icon here in Visual Studio Code, and let's see here setting icon, launch JSON, open, click here, then come here to write name Android, launch request icon, type dot and device ID put here. You can see here my ID, this one in Android. So let's create another one for iOS, name iOS and request launch and type also dot and also device ID. So we will copy our iOS ID, then copy another one for Chrome, then keep the name here Chrome. Now we have 3 devices, so let's run. We need to launch 3 devices at once. So then come here, write compound and keep the name here all devices and write here Android, iOS and Chrome. We have 3 devices. I have added in the array list in 3 devices. Just save and close. Now go to our again run and debug devices, and you can see here we have 3 devices, Android, iOS and Chrome. Just all device, click here and press run, then wait. You can see we have active iOS, Chrome, iOS and Android. This is also launching. Just wait and see. Android has been launched, iOS, also launched, also Chrome launched. You can see every device are run at a single time. So thank you friends.